2 videos before, I guess you might already have a lot of you get a lot of information and may have already known how to do these equations. Good. And therefore we need to kind of like improve it improve it from you to write a equation that I have said is right. Have the 3 equations, the quadratic equation, which each of them one of them have 2 different roots, one of them have the one same root, and another have no real number roots. All right, you may still get a little confused, but don't worry. You just need to know that this one is the much more important one. Always remember, this one is the much more important. Why? Because this one, it's not only have the square root, but also it have this one. It can be plus or it can be minus, and therefore it means that whether it have 2 roots, 1 root, or none of the roots, it's all decided by this one. And for the number, or kind of like it's just bigger than so many or less than so many, it's due to these two, the negative b and the 2a. Here you can get the b squared minus 4ac, right? Oops. We don't know none of them, right? But you can see here, this is the root, and this one, yeah, these two are the functions, the other equations that pass through the point which pass through x-axis and has 2 roots. So therefore, what's the common? There are something in common often. So it's the b squared minus 4ac, the equation here. Their square is always large. It's always larger than 0. Larger than 0. Okay. Therefore, this is why. This is the function. Maybe the equation, right? The equation with 2 roots are not the same. Maybe which has 2 roots are not the same, right? Oh. Clap. And therefore, oh wait, I have read it before, right? Yeah, I have read it before. Here, it's still really the same. I don't know. What I need to say is just that you may need to get a little time to try. Why? Because, for example, let me write another equation. We must have x squared, right? Maybe like let's say that if I want to write an equation that I only have one root, the 2 same root means 1 root, right? It may be most difficult for you, right? Like this, and plus whatever the b is, maybe 4x, right? So therefore we still need a c, right? I don't know what c is, but here we can just have a little calculation of it. What is b squared? 4 is b, then b squared is 16, right? 16 minus negative 1 over 3, so it's negative 1 over 3 that and that add something that times something times c. If I want this one, or you can just say that put it here, it's plus, and put it here, it's I want this one equals to 0, right? Exactly to 0. This one, it's just like if I want, if this is 16, and what add 16 is 0, it's negative 16, right? So this 3 over c over 3, the c over 3 must equals to what? Equal to negative 16, and therefore what is c? C equals to what? C equals to negative 48, right? Let's say if it's negative 48, where? Wait, what happened? Oh, I forget. It's not 48, it has to be 12. Right. Why? Because I do something wrong. Like here you can see that it's b squared minus 4ac. This one is 16. And it's plus 4c over 3, right? And this one must equal to 0. And each of the side we can first divide by 4 first, and it will be 4, and it will be 3 over c. And therefore, what is c? It's still not clear. C equals to negative 12, right? Right. Another two are the same. Like for example, if I want another equation, for example, like y equals to 2x squared, or maybe I can 4x squared, and I want an equation that have none of the real number, plus 9x, right? None of the real number means that the delta, the formula must less than 0. So therefore it must add something, but it must be less than 0. And less than 0 means that 981 minus 16c must right. Not this one. This one is no use, and therefore we can just move the 16c to here. Therefore 16c must be bigger than 81. So c must be bigger than 81 over 16. And therefore, if c must be bigger than this one, how much is about? Yes, it's 5 point blah blah blah. So therefore, if I add a 6 here, I put a 6 here, because 6 is bigger than 5, right? 6 here. See, there are no real roots, and it's just this. The same with the two roots. It's just same. If I wanted to have two real number, I just wanted to less than 5 point blah blah blah. So I can use 5. It's not clear, but I can enlarge it. See. two roots right, and that's it.